In this video, I'll be showing you how to clear RAM on Android. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, a lot of your RAM might be used, especially if you only have 8 gig of RAM or 4 gig of RAM on some phones. That could be eating up a lot of memory, especially if you're someone who likes to have a lot of background apps open. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application, then go ahead and scroll down, and you want to look for something called device care. Go ahead and click on it, and then you're going to be in this area right here. And the third option down is going to be memory. As you can see, currently I have a 12 gig of RAM on my phone, but I can free up memory. So what I want to do is just press that free up memory button. It's going to be closing anything and removing any cache for anything that's taking up a lot of my, background storage. And now it says 5.3 gig used, and well, 5.3 gig available and reserved. And I can also have RAM plus as well, so I can also increase the amount of memory that is going to be virtual as well if I ever wanted to keep more background apps open. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. You can clean up whenever you want. It shows how much storage or how much memory is going to be, being cleared, which is going to be very useful for you. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well.